Hi, I'm Terry with Puro 3, and I'm excited to tell you about our Ozone Infused Tooth Cleaning Powder. We start with organic coconut oil, infuse it with high purity ozone, and then through a natural proprietary process, powderize the ozone infused oil. From there, we combine other carefully selected natural ingredients to support cleaner, whiter, healthier teeth. Our tooth cleaning powder is always fluoride-free and designed to replace your standard toothpaste. Ozone is an all-natural substance known for its powerful antimicrobial properties. Combined with the natural properties of coconut oil, it helps to encourage fresher breath and a healthier smile. To use, pour a small amount into your hand, wet your toothbrush, and scoop the powder up. Brush your teeth as usual for a clean, refreshed feeling. Repeat if needed. At Puro 3, our products are made in a state-of-the-art facility with organic, plant-based ingredients and no harsh, unnecessary additives. To preserve freshness and potency, products are carefully stored cold until fulfillment. After opening, store the powder at room temperature in a cool, dry environment, away from sunlight. Puro 3's Ozone Infused Tooth Cleaning Powder comes packaged in a wide-mouth 2-ounce jar. Discover how Puro 3's Ozone Infused Tooth Cleaning Powder can enhance your oral care routine today. Simple, safe, and pure. Wellness powered by ozone.